Alright, so guys, today we're going to explode both of these balls. We're going to fully deflate them, and then we'll explode them one by one. We're going to start with this one, then move on to the big boy. And if you saw this little part, it's just the outer casing. The inner tube is not popped. We are both wearing ear protection. And Jackson, will you come over here and put this ball on the pump? We're doing 5 PSI at a time. So we have it hooked up and we have it fully deflated. Let's turn on the pump. Let me see what it's set to. It's set to 5. That'll work. Okay, it never exploded. Let's move it to 10.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm switching it to 10. Eddie, cover your ears! My 5-year-old brother is joining us. We're gonna need him to cover his ears. Cover your ears! All right, so the blue one exploded. It exploded at 7 PSI. And this is what's left. A freaking hat valve, or like a hat valve thing. Okay, that one's broken. Let me switch this one. Let me switch the compressor back to 5, and we will be back shortly. Okay, so this one's gonna be loud. Jackson, you have your things on?
Yep.
3, 2, 1. Starting at 5 PSI. Oh, I had to turn off. Eddie, put on headphones. Your ears are gonna hurt. Okay, so feel the ball. It's pretty hard. It's not as hard as a rock. Hi, Nick. We're moving to 10.
I think it's gonna blow at 15.
Oh, 17? No, that's too much. We're blow. Oh yeah, comment down below which PSI this ball is gonna blow at. Lock in your guesses. 3, 2, 1. Lock in your guesses. We're going up to 10. Okay, nothing happened. Feel the ball. Feel it.
Oh my god.
As we promised, we do have to go a little higher. Come on.
Go to 20.
No, we have to stay at 5 at a time, guys.
No, just go 20 in case it gets too hard.
No, I'm going 15. Okay, 15. Going now. Nothing is happening. Jackson, come on.
What?
Come on. Okay, moving it to 20.
Is it bad?
No.
Oh, it's hard as a rock.
Okay, we're at 20.